Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sarosh and I am a foundation level student at Rehan School Effort Campus Islamabad. And today I am doing my TEDx talk and my topic is The Power in Us by Rahmat Ajmal. So let's start it. Today I watched a powerful TEDx talk by Rahim Ajmal titled The Power in Us. This talk is a reminder that real strength does not come from outside approval but from the power we already carry within ourselves. In today's world, we often look for validation from society, social media, or people around us. We start believing that confidence, success, or worth comes from how others see us, but this talk challenges that idea and reminds us that the true power begins from self belief. One of the strongest message of this talk is that every individual has something unique. No one is ordinary. We all have different talents, voices, and abilities, but many times fear, comparison, and self doubt stop us from using the inner power. Ajmal Rahmat Ajmal highlights that society often defines beauty, success, and identify in narrow ways, but real empowerment comes when we break these limitations and start accepting ourselves as we are. When we stop trying to fit into unrealistic standards, we begin to discover our real strength. Watching this talk in both English and Urdu make the message even more meaningful. The English version connects globally, while the Urdu version speaks directly to our heart, reminding us that this message is for everyone, regardless of background or culture. So today I want to leave you with this thought that the power you are searching for is already inside you. You just need to believe in it, trust it, and use it. So viewers, this is my TEDx talk review. Hope so you like it. Meet you in the next video. Pakistan Zindabad. Khuda Hafiz.